Hello guys, welcome to Lakshya. English is an important language for all kinds of professionals and personal goals. Business, office jobs, MNCs, everywhere where your dreams definitely come true. So guys, join today itself Lakshdeep English School near Junior High School, Barun Chauraha, Ayodhya.
Hello guys, my name is Vikas Chauhan. I am a student. Currently I am intermediate appearing student. I learn English at Lakshdeep English speaking class, Barumjar, Ayodhya. English is a global language and it is spoken across all over the world. Friends, in future I want to do major work in research field and maybe I go to Metro City for my further studies. That's why I joined Lakshdeep English speaking classes. So far as my own idea is concerned, I would say that Lakshdeep English Speaking is the best institute around Varun Bazar locality, and it is very useful for those Hindi and English medium students who want to be fluent in reading, writing, and speaking English.
Hello guys, my name is Satyam Sahu. I am 19-year-old. I am a student. I pursuing 3-year polytechnic diploma at CSJM GPA. I learn spoken English at Lakshdeep coaching classes at Barun Bazar, Ayodhya. There may be various factors in many other individuals for learning fluency in reading, writing and speaking English. But as far as I am concerned, I am learning English to improve myself, grooming personality, and I want to be promoted my career field. So for this, thanks to Lakshdeep English Speaking Institute, Barun Bazar, Milkipur, Ayodhya.
Hi guys, my name is Rishab. I am a student. I study in class 10th. I learn English speaking at Lakshdeep coaching classes, Barun Bazar, Ayodhya. I joined Lakshdeep coaching classes to improve myself and grooming my personality. Although I have no idea which field of career I would join in future, maybe I join IT field or medical field.
Hello, my name is Ruchirat. I am 15 years old. I am a student. I read in class 10th. I joined Lakshdeep English speaking classes because I want to learn English fluently and it is the need of today for each and every student. When we want to learn computer or find out any information or internet, English is a very must there. This is the reason I joined Lakshdeep English speaking classes at Barun Bazar district, Ayodhya.
Hello guys, my name is Khushbu Chauhan. I am a student of Lakshdeep English Speaking Institute at Barun Bazar, Ayodhya. Currently, I study in class 12. I wanted to join personality grooming class around Barun Bazar locality. You know, I did not found anyone here, but since when I joined Lakshdeep English Speaking Institute, I am improving myself fast. I am well satisfied with teaching method here.
शिक्षा एक लक्ष्य अनेक Lakshdeep coaching classes, a landmark of quality education for new generation. Address near Junior High School, Barun Chauraha, District, Ayodhya. यूपी तथा सीबीएसई बोर्ड की कक्षा 1 से 12 तक सभी विषय की उत्तम एवं गुणवत्तापरक शिक्षण व्यवस्था। कक्षा 6 से 12 तक के विशेष फाउंडेशन बैचेस फॉर एकेडमिक एंड कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स। जवाहर नवोदय परीक्षा कक्षा 6 तथा 9 स्तर तक की तैयारी 100% फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट के आधार पर। एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्सेज की स्पेशल बैचेज सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन के साथ चलाई जा रही हैं। लक्ष्यदीप कोचिंग के विशेषज्ञ अध्यापकों द्वारा पढ़ाए गए विद्यार्थियों का बोर्ड परीक्षा में प्रत्येक वर्ष उच्चतम प्रतिशत रहा है। लक्ष्यदीप कोचिंग क्लासेस दूर दराज तक विद्यार्थियों में लक्ष्यदीप इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्कूल के नाम से भी विख्यात है। लक्ष्यदीप इंस्टीट्यूट इंग्लिश मीडियम से शिक्षा प्रदान करने वाला ज़िला अयोध्या के ग्रामीण अंचल का लोकप्रिय उत्तम शिक्षण संस्थान है। अपने बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य हेतु सर्वोत्तम कोचिंग में प्रवेश दिलाएं। यहाँ पर ऑनलाइन एवं ऑफलाइन क्लासेस भी उपलब्ध हैं। Lakshdeep coaching classes, a landmark of quality education for new generation. शिक्षा एक लक्ष्य अनेक Lakshdeep Coaching Classes.